So if you are doing 10 plus 2 in art stream and you wish to join for BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application. So in this video, let us understand there is a good or bad for you. So in 10 plus 2 you study this subject: history, geography, political science, psychology, sociology, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, like this subject. So after studying this subject, are you eligible to take BCA? Yes, you can take BCA. What you study in BCA? You study this subject: computer fundamentals, system analysis and design, operating systems, programming in C language, networking, data structure, database management, mathematics, software engineering, object oriented programming using C++, Visual Basic, PHP, Java, Oracle, web development and Python. So here you can see there are many programming languages like C, C++, Visual Basic, PHP, Java, Python, like that. So these are maybe new, but still you can learn. It's not too difficult to learn. Why? Because from last many years, from the art stream, people have taken BCA. They all successfully completed their course. Therefore, it's not too difficult for you to pass these examinations or to learn these subjects. Therefore, you can always positively think, and you wish to get into the computer field, you can always choose the BCA course. So what is the duration? So as like any other degree, even this degree is 3 years and totally 6 semesters. So when you're learning or once you complete your course, you can be specialized in computer graphics, programming languages, database management, system analysis, word processing, internet technologies, animation, cyber law, software testing, music and video processing, personal information management. I mean, you want a good job, good salary, then it be specialized in any of this. Computer graphics, you already know games is a kind of graphics. So you should be learn like how to make the games, or you can learn any programming language thoroughly. Therefore, any given task you can able to complete in the programming language. Database management like Oracle, MySQL, a lot of database softwares. Therefore, you should know like how to manage the database softwares, how to back up the data, how to transfer data from one system to other system. A lot of things are there in database management. You should be learn in depth, and at the end of the day, you can become a DBA. That is what the post actually where you can fetch a good salary. System analysis like word processing, typing, and all these things. So there, not only typing, so like no like a software like CorelDRAW, Photoshop. So there you can use like no DTP kind of stuffs you can do. Then internet technologies like HTML, scripting languages, you can make web pages, animation. So this is a vast field. Now it's taking very good space. So therefore, all companies nowadays they want to make animations of their product. So animation is a big field now. So therefore, you can choose animations. Cyber law again is a separate branch, and it's definitely fetch a good amount of salary in cyber technology. Software testing, it's a regular job, so therefore definitely you get a good job in the software testing. Music and video processing, so this is also one more interesting field. So even you come out of the arts background, definitely you can learn these things thoroughly, and once you become a good, you get a good salary here. So like that, so you need to be professional or you need to be more clear in the particular subject. So what you can do after BCA? After BCA, common method is go to MCA or MSc Computer Science. Then you can go to MTech also, or you can do BCA then MBA, or you can be professional in a particular programming. Career in education, that means become BCA, go to B.Ed and become a school teacher. So or do some certificate course and become a school teacher, or make an MCA or MSc. Then also you can become a teacher, lecturer, all other competitive exams, banking exams, administrative services. So therefore, a lot of options will be open. Therefore, if you decided, definitely you can get into the BCA. So now you need to decide whether it's a good or bad, because if you look at the subjects, maybe all new, but you need to decide, okay, I want to learn them. Definitely then it is a good idea, so you can get into that. So if you want to get into a government job, like no, you want to become an IAS, IPS, or you want to make some particular segment, so where the computer science is not so important. The only thing is your regular subject with the good knowledge of general knowledge and GK, and with that you want to pass the examinations, your state board exams and all. then probably you can get into your regular stream like BA. So then you can pass your degree over there, and then you take up the computer exams and get into a good job. But if at all, if you wish to take the computer science, you want to get into the computer field, definitely you can opt for the BCA. Fine. So in our channel, we'll come up with a lot of ideas, lot of new things. Keep watch that, so you can enhance your knowledge, enhance your ideas, and we also have a lot of language tutorial. You can learn the tutorial, you can learn the language here, and also you can learn how to make the projects. So therefore, a lot of stuffs will be there. So please subscribe, and what do you feel like in this video? Write it in the comment box. Thank you very much.